Hey, how's it going? My name is Andy Monroe and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about 3 softwares that I use to plan all of my events. Without these softwares, my event planning process pretty much wouldn't work. So they're pretty crucial to my event planning process. But before I get into it, please drop a comment down below. This is a brand new channel, so when you drop a comment down below, it helps it get out to more people. And also, if you have any feedback, any questions, or any topics you want me to cover, I'll check those out and I can make a video on them in the future. All right, let's get into it. So the first software that I want to talk about is Monday.com. Monday.com is a project management software, and I use it to keep track of all of the events that I'm planning. I like Monday because I have so many different types of events that I'm planning at the same time that I need somewhere that I can visualize everything that I'm planning, all the timelines, and when stuff needs to get done for every single event. And Monday accomplishes just that. On the sidebar, you can have different sections for the different types of events that you're throwing. And when you click into those tabs, you can have everything that you need to get done for every single event visualized right in front of you. Now, like I've said before, I use a 5-phase system for planning live events, and I'll be sure to make a video on this 5-phase process sometime in the future. But inside of Monday, I can visualize every single phase of every single event, along with the sub-items that go inside of that, along with the sub-items that go inside of each phase. This makes it super easy for me to go in and see exactly where we are in the event planning process and exactly what tasks need to be getting done. It even has a feature called a Gantt chart where you can visualize the entire board that you're working with, the entire event that you're working with, along with the phases and the timelines and the project and everything you need to see. It's visualized right in front of you, and you can see the bar moving along the timeline, so you can see exactly how far away from the event you are, how far away from certain projects you are, and it really makes it much more simple and clear to communicate and clear to understand when you can just see it right in front of you. I also like Monday because other segments of your company can use it as well, and this is a great way to fully integrate your company. Additionally, this allows people that you work with to come into your events section at Monday.com and to get updates and to see information about events without even asking you. This is a great way to communicate information to your team members, and also a great way for you to be held accountable by your coworkers. I'd highly recommend using Monday.com for project management and event planning. Up next, we have ActiveCampaign. ActiveCampaign is a software that you can use to send out emails to your attendees and to build an email list. And this is the software that we use to communicate with all of the attendees that are going to be coming to our event. At the moment they buy a ticket to the event, they get put into an email list that we're constantly sending emails to make sure that they have all the information they need for the event and to establish a good relationship with our attendees before the event even starts. I like using ActiveCampaign because it's extremely simple to use. You can go in there and you can type up an email, you can use previously saved email templates, and then you can click the list that you want to send to, and you can send it out all in a matter of 10 to 15 minutes. Communicating with your attendees and making sure they have all of the right information is extremely important for the event planning process and to guarantee a good experience for your attendees. And I would highly recommend using ActiveCampaign to communicate with your attendees and to send out that information. The last software I want to talk about is ClickFunnels. When we are selling tickets to an event, we are using what is called a funnel. Now, I'm not a funnel expert. You can go on YouTube and you can search how to build a funnel in ClickFunnels, and there's going to be way better information out there. However, in simple terms, a funnel is literally like a funnel that water goes through, funneling customers through the buying experience with your brand. And the software we use to build these funnels is ClickFunnels. And in my opinion, ClickFunnels is the best software out there for building funnels for your business. Some of the biggest brands in the world are using ClickFunnels, and we have used ClickFunnels ever since the company has started for all of our products. It's easy to use, it's simple, and it delivers a great buying experience for your customers. If you want to see an example of what a funnel looks like, go to funlaunchlive.com and you can see the funnel that we have up and running right now for the event that's happening next year in 2024. Now, those are the 3 softwares that I use for planning every single event, and I'm going to continue to use those softwares maybe until I find better ones, but I'm not sure that's going to happen. I'll be sure to link all of these softwares down in the description below just in case you want to give them a try. And don't get me wrong, there's probably plenty of softwares out there that you can use that are just as good as these ones. However, these are the ones I use, and these are the ones that I can recommend because these are the ones I've used. I haven't used other ones, so I can't say much about them. But I can vouch for these ones because they have given me a great experience as an event planner, and they have delivered great experiences for my attendees as well. All right, that's all I got for you. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching today's video. Make sure you drop a comment down below, dropping any questions you have, if there are any topics you want to see covered, or if you have any feedback from me. I'd really appreciate it. All right, that's all I got for you today. I'll see you in the next video.